children, my dear boys and girls of class 1, this is Sushri Miss again with you for your next lesson where we will be studying about different parts of your computer. And in this lesson, I will be showing you the video upon various main important parts of computer, and I hope you all will enjoy this. Hello children, welcome to the virtual classroom of St. Paul's Class 1 Computers, Lesson Parts of Computer. Well children, you can see a very nice picture over here, and all of you are much aware of it. A monitor you can see in front of you, the straight one, and you have the below of it there is a keyboard, and you have a mouse near the keyboard. Just to the left of your keyboard you can see two small speakers are there, and just to the left of your monitor you can see a printer, and yes, to your right of your monitor you can see the CPU and then one microphone. Well children, what are all these? These are nothing but certain parts of the overall computer system, and you all are pretty aware of each of them, and this is what our lesson deals with today, the basic parts of computer. Well children, the main parts of computer as per our book says we have to begin with this monitor, the white screen with a TV-like structure which shows us the pictures or whatever we do in a system. And whatever work we are doing over a computer, that is being reflected over here on this screen, and we are able to see the wide varieties, the range of pictures, the tabulating forms and the gaming structures and what not children. Don't you find this as the most interesting and beautiful part of the computer? Yes, as I said, it looks like a TV screen or your television, and with this what we are able to see? We are able to see movies, cartoons. We can play the games with the gaming screens on them also. Isn't that the most interesting part? And the answer is definitely yes from your side, I know. And what you are able to see over here, this is a box kind of thing which is nothing but your CPU, the first one which you saw. The second one is monitor in the second figure. And to all these things, the most important part is this CPU, the central processing unit. As we human beings have our brain, which is the most important part of our body, isn't it? It takes all the decisions, which one is correct, which one is wrong, which work should we do, which work we shouldn't. These all decisions are taken by the CPU, isn't it children? This is what it happens with the CPU, and CPU is known as the brain of the computer, and it is present inside that box we see, that is the CPU box. And what it does children, it helps the computer to think and do the work which we have assigned to the computer. Okay, if we are giving something to calculate, the computer's CPU is the brain, so it will think, okay, I have to calculate or do addition or subtraction, whatever being given, then only it will perform the work. What you can see here children, these two are whose hand? It's not ghost's hand, it is your hand, isn't it? And these are your fingers, they are clicking on the buttons of the keyboard. This rectangular structure which you are seeing here children, this is known as keyboard. It has so many buttons on it, you can see. They are called as the keys of the computer. Understood? Those buttons on the keyboard, you can see they are known as the keys. And it has many keys, as you can see. And they are used for what? These A, B, C, D, you can see we have some 1, 2, 0. So many kinds of keys are there. There is a long bar also. So all these are used for what? These are used to type letters, words, numbers and some special characters. Like if we need to write some dollar, asterisk and all this, they are also helping us to write that. Greater than, less than. So many we have. So some special characters also it helps us to write. And each of these keys, children, they have certain function of its own. Like each key's function is different from any other key. Now this, what you can see, this hand again, palm you can see with 2 fingers put over at 2 places. This is what? It is your mouse, which is another important part of your computer. And you can see 2 fingers are kept over 2 buttons. Those 2 places where you can see the index finger and the middle finger is kept, they are the 2 mouse buttons. And the index finger is pointed over the one which is known as your used for your left click, and the middle finger is there, that is for your right click. And you can see in between there is a wheel kind of structure, you can see in between that you can see a wheel kind of structure in between the index and middle finger, that is known as your scroll bar. So it helps us to draw pictures. It is used to point and select things on monitor. Like you have so many icons on the monitor, when we need to click on them, this mouse helps us for doing that work. So you can use that for the clicking or pointing any kind of structures. So this is your left mouse button, this is your right mouse button, and this is your scroll wheel. You can scroll through this throughout the page like up and down. Okay. What is this you are able to see? See, your photos are coming. Your photos are coming out through this. So your photos are coming out through this means what these? Any document that you are typing, they are coming out through this printer. So whatever these printed material which comes out over through this printer is known as your hard copy. Okay. And this structure is what? This is the structure of a printer. This picture is a printer. And what does this printer do? It takes a printout on the paper, and the printer copy, as I told, it's known as the hard copy. Okay. Next, what are you seeing? This is a box like structure. One flip is opening. What is this again? This is a scanner. So, the scanner is what? Whatever text, pictures which are printed on paper, if we put those papers, those whatever printed document if we have, if we put them inside this or inside this, and this device will read those text and pictures whichever are present there inside or there on our paper, and it will store them in the computer. Okay. Some hard copy like some photos also, some documents also, we can take and put them there. It will scan, it will receive, and it will store inside the computer. And this is the most interesting part of the computer, no children, which you enjoy a lot with your speakers. You are able to get on to the zooming sounds of your car racings, bike racing games, with all sounds coming out so interesting. Zoom. Is that very interesting? Even you can listen to the music, the best of the collections, and even if you are watching a movie also, you can get good effects of sounds through these speakers, isn't it? And I know this is a compulsory one in everyone's house. So what does this speakers exactly do? With the help of these, we can listen to the music or any sound whatever is there in a computer. And usually children, or always, the speakers, they come in pairs. Okay, that means two speakers are there. You will find they are connected to the CPU, and this is connected through what? This is connected through a cable. Okay, and this is the picture of what, children? This is a picture of headphones, your favorite ones. So these headphones, children, they are able to do what? Listen to music or any sounds stored in the computer. And they are usually worn over where? Over our ears. Okay? Well children, I hope you enjoyed the session, and if you have got any queries or any doubts, you can mail your respective teacher or call them in the allotted time. Thank you. Have a nice day.